had it, got it back out. Quick ball movement here. Popped outside now by Jennings for three. Jennings wants a long three. He dialed that up downtown. Pratt behind the back look here. Jennings will hit the three. Gets touches. Pratt back outside now. Jennings, reverse layup to Costas. Rama didn't get it home. Thing almost popped out on the ceiling. That drive and the take. 14-point lead. Jennings the fourth for the third. What we need to do, and very complimentary of our coverage, and we thank them for that. That's a beautiful set play.